So in an earlier lecture, I talked about LIBOR and how that's an approximate of the risk-free rate. And so now we're going to learn what LIBOR is. So LIBOR is a benchmark rate that some of the world's leading banks charge each other for short-term loans. It's important to understand short-term. It stands for the Intercontinental Exchange London Interbank Offered Rate and serves as the first step to calculating interest rate on various loans throughout the world because it approximates the risk-free rate. LIBOR is based on 5 currencies: the US dollar, the euro, pound sterling, Japanese yen, and Swiss franc, and serves 7 different maturities: overnight, 1 week, and 1, 2, 3, 6, and 12 months. There are a total of 35 different LIBOR rates each business day. The most commonly quoted rate is the 3-month US dollar rate. And so that's what LIBOR is. It approximates the risk-free rate, and we use it a lot in practice because a lot of loans are benchmarked to LIBOR. So that being said, now you know what LIBOR is and how to approximate the risk-free rate.